Oh, Mary's syphilis and happy gonorrhea, it's running. It's just dumped straight out of the cat at the moment because I haven't got the exhaust on. But yeah, it's full of coolant, going through its first heat cycle. Motors together, running, nice and quiet, and yeah, no leaks so far, which is good. Bloody miracle. Yeah, since it was raining basically non-stop for the last 24 hours or so, and it decided to give me a few hours break, which looks like it's going to end pretty bloody soon. I thought I'd get out here and thrash on it. So yeah, I'm most probably going to let it go through this heat cycle and then call it a day so I can actually have a Christmas. But yeah, fresh oil, fresh filter, still got to do the transmission service, still got to set the timing properly. It's pretty bloody close. There goes the fans for its first cycle. Yep, awesome. Still got a couple of little things to do underneath. I found the hose that goes to the back from the washer bottle was just, it's rooted. Cut a bit off, try to put it back on, keeps splitting. It's just, yeah, so I'll replace that while I'm under there. I've still got to put the proper oxygen sensor in it and hook it up. It's running off of just closed loop at the moment. What else? I've got a little bit more tidying up with the wiring to do, especially in the cab for all the thermo stuff. Haven't tested the broadband yet. There you go, thermostat's actually come open. Everything's working. I've got to finish tidying up all that wiring from the thermos for the manual override. Apart from that though, pretty bloody happy. As I say, it's just settling in. It's its first fire up. So I'll let it run for a bit more and make sure that the system's properly bled, which it's not burping anymore and the thermostat's actually open, so I reckon it is bled. I'll just let it run a bit more, give it a good heat cycle, and then yeah, I reckon I'll shut it off and come back tomorrow if the weather's any good. Hopefully the weather's alright, and yeah, I'll be able to get it finished off. But, just to give you a rough idea. That's what the finished product will look like. So, woohoo! very Merry Christmas present to myself. Anyway, everyone else have a good one.